Apprenticeships offer you the chance to gain well-respected qualifications whilst also working and earning money. Apprentices will spend 80% of their time working and a minimum of 20% of their time studying. This could either be in college, online, or delivered in another way. Working as an apprentice, you'll be employed to do a real job. This could be in a wide range of sectors, from dentistry to construction, hairdressing to demolition, or in many more sectors. Whilst you're working, you'll have responsibilities similar to that of your peers in your workplace. While some jobs will require you to finish your apprenticeships before working independently or taking full control of a role, other roles will see you work in exactly the same capacity as others in your team that are not apprentices. By the end of your apprenticeship, you should have gained the skills and experiences needed to gain a job in your sector of choice. Previous research suggests that around 64% of apprentices continue working for the organisation they did their apprenticeship with after finishing their qualification. Research also shows that around 85% of apprentices will remain in some form of employment after completing their apprenticeship. Not only will you be studying for a qualification, but you will also be earning money whilst on an apprenticeship. The national minimum wage for apprentices in their first year is £4.03 per hour, but many employers offer much more than this. Apprenticeships also offer you the chance to build your network, getting to know the people you work with. Expanding your network may mean that there are more opportunities for you when you're looking for work in the future. Having a large network can be beneficial in all sectors. The qualifications you gain on an apprenticeship are highly valuable and can help you to progress in your career. What you are learning about will depend on your apprenticeship, as usually the course is linked directly to your role. Apprenticeships are available at a range of levels, meaning they're suitable for most people. Intermediate level apprenticeships are the equivalent to achieving 5 good GCSE passes. Advanced apprenticeships are the equivalent to 2 A-level passes. Higher apprenticeships are the equivalent to foundation degrees or similar qualifications. And degree-level apprenticeships are comparable to a regular degree. You'll normally enter an apprenticeship level based on your previous academic achievements. Most sectors offer apprenticeships. Some examples of sectors that we definitely know offer apprenticeships are accounting, banking, business, hairdressing, beauty, construction, engineering, human resources, IT, law, education and childcare, marketing, media, retail, and transport. Different apprenticeship frameworks will have different requirements in terms of time. This will also be dependent on your ability, willingness to work, and the sector you are in. Generally speaking, intermediate apprenticeships take between a year and 18 months. Advanced apprenticeships usually take around 2 years. Higher and degree apprenticeships generally take 3 to 6 years to complete. Generally, you'll work between 30 and 40 hours per week. Dependent on the sector, you may work different hours to suit the work. If you're working in a hospitality setting, such as a restaurant for example, you may work until later in the evening or into the night. You may work shifts, meaning that your times at work could change week on week. And other jobs may mean that you work more sociable hours, such as 9 AM until 5 PM, Monday to Friday, giving you the weekends off. To apply for an intermediate apprenticeship, you'll need to be over 16 and no longer in full-time education. Most roles at this level will require other qualifications too, with lots of roles asking for maths and English at grade 9 to 4 or equivalent qualifications. For advanced apprenticeships, you'll likely be asked for work experience, voluntary experience, and at least 3 GCSE qualifications at grade 9 to 4. Higher apprenticeships will usually require at least 5 GCSEs graded 9 to 4, as well as some level 3 qualifications in relevant subjects. These level 3 qualifications could be AS levels, BTEC nationals, or level 3 MVQs. Degree apprenticeships will usually want 3 A levels to have been achieved or an equivalent qualification. They will also usually want you to have achieved 5 grade 9 to 4 GCSEs and have some kind of relevant work experience. You could also progress through qualifications in some cases and work through from intermediate apprenticeships to higher or degree apprenticeships. Almost all apprenticeships will ask for a reference. This is a written document from a teacher, youth worker, employer or similar position that's able to talk about your attendance, punctuality, effort, behaviour and more. Attendance will usually play a big part in an employer's decision as to whether they offer you a position or not. Having a poor attendance record will significantly limit your chances of securing a position. Depending on who you ask, they'll have different opinions. Getting the chance to get paid whilst also gaining qualifications is a big opportunity. Earning money at a young age can help to enable you to be free and make decisions. It can also help with things like saving for your first home or buying a first car. Degree apprenticeships offer the chance to get a degree without getting into debt. This can be a great thing for people that choose to take this route. Having the ability to get to know people in the sector you're working in can also help you to build strong connections and relationships with people that could offer you permanent employment after finishing your apprenticeship. Again, everyone has their own opinions on this. Some people simply don't feel ready to enter the workplace. Whether this is due to maturity, an anxiety about going to work, or something else, some people are simply not ready. Lots of organisations offer support to students or young people entering apprenticeships, giving them support with things like CV writing and work readiness. Some people feel that working full-time and studying can take a lot of their time, especially when compared to going to a regular college. You'll need an ability to manage your time effectively to get around this. Apprenticeships are a great option for many young people, and hiring an apprentice can be great for businesses and organisations too. To find out more about apprenticeships, look online. There are lots of great resources that you can find that advertise vacancies and give more detailed information about apprenticeships. Make sure you subscribe to the MYPATH YouTube channel to watch more videos about careers, future opportunities and more.